and thanks for tuning in. This brief video tutorial shows you how to provide administrator access to your Facebook business page. Step number 1, navigate to your Facebook business page. Step number 2, select the settings option provided in the menu on the left side. Step number 3, select the page setup menu option. Step number 4, select the page access menu option. Step number 5, then in the area named People with Access, select Add New. Step number 6. In this step, you must enter the person who you would like to grant access. The person you are adding must be a follower of your page. After entering their name, select their profile. You must then select the tasks that you would like to provide access for. You will then need to confirm by entering the password for your personal Facebook page. After completing the process, the person you have invited to access your page will need to accept the invitation, as the invitation will expire in 30 days. For more website design and digital marketing video tutorials, visit advergroup.com.